you won't fall. Just let your whole body go. Just hit this. Good. Excellent. Perfect. Good.
Excellent.
That moved nice.
Yeah.
Right there. And I've got you so you won't fall. Just let it go. Good. And one more. Perfect. Great. Right in there. Okay. Beautiful. So off the shoulder here, right there. Come underneath there. Yeah, just relax that. Just let that go. That's it. There we go. Excellent.
All right.
We have a near professional skateboarder here, okay? But full-time computer guy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna check out his whole spine. First adjustment. Let's go ahead. So his whole right side was weak, and you can feel tender right there?
Oh yeah.
Right there, okay. That left side. So we're gonna have you lie on this side, face me. And we're gonna bring this right up this way, straighten the bottom leg. And I'm gonna move you around a little bit, so you can straighten that leg there. So the hip is a little tight. Okay. And all we're going to do is set this bone up right down here. Okay. Real light. You won't fall. Just let your whole body go. Just hit this. Good. Excellent. Perfect. Good.
Excellent.
That moved nice.
Yeah.
So now let's say we sit up for a moment. Have a seat right here facing that way. And because you kind of curve with these shoulders here, so we're gonna work on that. So I'm gonna have you just do a light grip. Put
Okay.
your elbows underneath this way, okay?
Okay.
Right there. And I've got you so you won't fall. Just let it go. Good. And one more. Perfect. Great. Excellent. And lie on your back. Good job. Yeah, you can feel that a little tight on that side, huh?
Uh-huh.
Okay, feel it restricted this way?
Uh-huh.
Right in there. Okay. Beautiful. Nice. So off the shoulder here, right there. Come underneath here. Yeah, just relax that. Just let that go. That's it. There we go. Excellent. Doing a great job relaxing on that first adjustment. Now let's see how this moves. Feel a little different there?
It definitely does.
Yeah, nice and smooth, huh?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Okay, so now, good job. Let's go face down. Feel a little different as we do that?
It does, yes.
So it's freed up. You feel less pressure here?
I do.
Good. Now let's have you do a straight leg raise. Lift this leg up and hold it. Don't let me push down. Good. Try this one. Hold. There we go. Feel that strength coming back, right?
I do, yeah.
Yeah, it's getting power down this leg. Let's go ahead and sit up, face me. Let's try that left arm, because that was a stronger arm. Hold. Good. Let's try this one. And hold. There we go. That's the way the body should be, right?
Yeah, it feels great. Honestly, I feel taller.
Good job.
Thank you.
Power's on. Okay.